Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. I've been trying to make this video for 3 days, so I finally did it today on the Lyson 18-gallon bottling tank / warmer, and it's actually pretty awesome. But the most awesome thing about it, I think, is the valve that I've got with it. I got the pneumatic foot valve, so it's foot controlled. It's not metered, so I still have to control the flow as far as pushing on the air valve or on the foot pedal to open the air valve. So it's spring-loaded close. When you hit the foot valve, it opens it up and lets the honey dispense out. And outside of me not letting my compressor run long enough to fully charge up to where it shut itself off and is pressurized, I've got some footage that I'm gonna run, but I'm not gonna have the sound going because it's so loud. So I'm gonna mute that sound out of the compressor and show I was able to fill 2 cases of pints and probably 14 or 15 1-pound jars and a few 8-ounce jars in probably 15 minutes. I probably could have went faster had I had my stuff organized, but you know, I was like, oh, let me do a pound. Let me go grab a pound jar. So a little bit of that in between. But if I was set up to do like just 1 pound and was doing it, I could have done it quick and would have had my my timings right on the foot pedal and stuff like that, and got better. But this is the first time I've ever used it. But I was able to get from Better Bee, I was able to get the warming tank and the valve for cheaper than you could buy the 16 gallon, I think it's 16-gallon Max Ant bottling tank from Better Bee. So you can get both pieces if you have a compressor for cheaper than you can buy just the tank in most instances. So feel free to watch, and it may not be for you, but I like it. I like it for my situation, and we'll see what you think. Please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So, still decrystallizing, but it's pretty good. I think we got it enough to where we can demonstrate the valve, so I'm gonna click this on and let it pressurize up.